Welcome back everyone. So today I am going to try and recreate a leucistic axolotl. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I have pink mica powder, which I am going to use for his sticky up things. You know, these bits. Those bits there. And we are going to try and recreate it, the colours of a leucistic axolotl. So I will start painting the, I'm not sure if they're fins, but no doubt I'll get corrected in the comments. So I will crack on and start painting that, and I'll bring you back once I've got the correct colours in the right places. Otherwise it'll be boring just for you to sit there and watch me paint in difficult crevices, nooks and crannies. So I will crack on with that and I'll bring you back. So it's all been painted now. He has black with a little blue of his eye. He's got blue legs, a blue tail with some black spotting mica powder, and he's got like a pink white shimmer to his body and his head. This is a Let's Resin mould, and it also gives you this, how much, yeah, it does give you how much to put in to this mould, which I find is really great. 4.5 fluid ounces. I wish they'd do, you know, others would do that to their moulds. And look at the mess we've created just by painting that. It was clean earlier. So I am going to get some resin mixed up, and we're going to colour it like a white, cloudy, nice pearlescent white. So now he's all painted, he's all ready to go. So I will bring you back when the resin is mixed. Right, resin is ready and we will begin to pour. Let me just chuck on my gloves. And then not forgetting to squeeze out any bubbles before I fill it up too far. There is a mix of colours in this resin. I'll just stop it there for a minute. I have done Let's Resin Chrome Holographic Silver with Chameleon Powder Olive. And a bit of white mica powder. So I'm hoping that he will look really good. This is my first time of doing an axolotl, so I'm hoping that it comes out all right. Well, I think we've squeezed all the air bubbles out of his fin things. Look at the colour. Such a nice colour. Just making sure we get the little toes. Just work the resin into his little toes. When it comes to making things, we always say he. You know, I think it's just one of those things, isn't it? He's gonna look lovely. It's gonna look lovely. But yeah, we always assume, we always just say he. But I think it'll look lovely. I can't wait. That precision pouring in those toes. Well, I'm hoping that's enough. Lighter. Let me just go grab my lighter. It's gone walkabouts on my tidy up. Oh, there we go. This is my first one, so I don't want any air bubbles. Looks pretty good. What do you reckon to the colour? Lovely colour. So he will wait now for 24 hours. It's going to be so long. I don't have this fast curing machines, so we have to do it the long way. So that is the Leucistic Axolotl with pink fins, blue body, blue tail, blue feet. He's got black for his eyes with a bit of white. So I'm hoping and praying that it'll come out just the way I've seen in the picture. So I will leave it here and we'll be back for demold. Right, we're back and it's demold of my I can't remember, I can't pronounce the word, I don't know, my axolotl. This is the first time I've done this, as I said previously, so I have no idea how to demold it. We're just going to try and wing it the best way we can and see where we go. It's going to be a beast, isn't it? How do you do this one? God blimey. Wow. That's a challenge and a half, that is. Looks good for now. Wow. This is a task in itself. Crikey. Don't want to break anything. That is tough. Ah, there you go. Maybe not. Whoever designed these, I mean, crikey. It's a workout just trying to get it demolded. I don't want to break his little toes either. I'm sure it gets easier by use. Right, I'll be back. Soapy water time. Well, that was a challenge in itself. So here we are, my axolotl. Blue legs with a pinky body, some black markings across his fin, his tail. Sorry. Check him out. It's cute. That's just water where I just demolded him in the bathroom. But my first time of doing him. I love it. What do you reckon? Let me know down below. He's so cute. And his markings on his face. They're really good. Yeah, so let me know what you think down below. Thank you to all my subscribers, everyone that comments. Don't forget you can buy me a coffee. It does help me to buy new moulds, new stock, and to keep the content going. So I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you very much.